Hello, I'm Ken with Alliance Manufacturing. We specialize in parts cleaning systems. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about a system that we built for one of our new customers. It involves an accumulating conveyor where parts are loaded every 20 to 30 seconds onto the conveyor, then transferred through a wash blow-off system where they're then transferred to a heat induction oven and then transferred to a secondary washer which does a heated wash and ambient blow-off, and then to the end of the system. We'll take you through the various parts of the system and show you the different aspects and let you see firsthand how this system operates. The first step in the process is loading of the accumulating conveyor. That's done manually. Once transferred to the accumulating conveyor, there's two different height sensors that check for the height of the parts and stops the parts and accumulates, and then the parts are released on a timed fashion so they're released appropriately at the right speed to the wash system. The first washer is the wash with the heated blow-off module, so the parts are cleaned and dried before going to the exit end of the machine. After the parts exit from washer 1, which does a wash and dry of the parts, they're transferred by a pneumatic transfer device onto a rotary table where the parts are positioned prior to entering the heat induction system. After exiting the heat induction system, the parts are then transferred onto washer number 2. In washer number 2, the parts will be picked up, they'll be marked for indication, product indication, and then they'll go through a wash and ambient blow-off before exiting the cell. Washer number 2 removes residual punch oil from the heat process. Parts transfer to a small rotary table where the parts are rotated 720 degrees and are scanned to verify that the process is complete. Thanks for watching this Alliance Clean Take today. If you'd like to learn more about Alliance and our parts cleaning systems and the auxiliary equipment that we can provide, please visit us or call today.